Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farisha binti Syahid and my partner name is Aryo Bimo. So today I'm going to show you how the lab B works for the task 2 and task 3 that we are assigned. And based on the screen, as you can see, there's a few codes that we have written there. So the first one is set up the screen, and the first 4 lines here, this will display our team's name, as well with these 4 lines next display student's name, and we name the variable as info2. The first variable is info, and next the first 4 line next is info3. It will display the variable array on short instruction for user, and then info4 to display option 1, info5 to display option 2. So moving on to move AL4 and out 0xe8AL, so that's another code. So from there we will wait for the user to choose option 1 or option 2, and then as user choose option 1, so it will interrupt and lighting test 1 will be triggered. But when user choose the option 2, so the lighting test 2 will trigger. So let's move on to the wait for button. So for this wait for button, this will wait for external interrupt from user. So as user release button 1, it will call the test1 function, and then same goes with when user release the button 2, it will call the test2 function. So you can see that that's a shutdown function that will sending any bytes other than 0 to port 255 finishes execution, which means it will shut down all the systems right away when user pick other button that's not 1 or 2 option, that's not from the 1 or 2 options, or the system already exceed the timing, which is 10 seconds. So as you can see, there's test 1 here. In test 1, we will test the first 4 top LEDs inside the hardware. So so move EAX. So this 3FF3443DD. So let's see here, we will run this. Okay. So as you can see, this is our window console. So whenever we pick the run button here, we click on the run button, so it will display our team name, which is white hat, team members name, Farisha and Aryo Bimo, and then the option. So I already put 5 infos, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So when we pick the option 1, this will display the RGB colors on the first option, as I said here, which that's why I tell you guys that how we need to fix this value correctly, which means on 3FF, 3443DD and 503. Okay, so like I said earlier, after 10 seconds it will terminate automatically. So the next one, how about we test on the button 2? Run, so it will display at the console. So pick on the button 2, so we can see here LEDs, the bottom 4 LEDs will lights up. So why? At the same time, RGBs here also lights in purple color, because we already said to light the words to lights in purple color at 4FF, 444, 4DD and 504. So at the same time, when we code this on system x86 emulator, we need to set the variables as well. So you can name here info5 and then choose the array text if you want to put on your text, such as names, teams names and so on, the instruction like as you can see here, and then click on add since I already add, so just cancel them. So the last one, let's run for the last before I end this video. So here's the team name. So we choose one, lights up for the first top LEDs, and then we reset and we run again. We pick 2. I'm sorry. Okay. I pick 2, so it will let's up the 4 bottom LEDs. Okay, so I think that's all from us. Thank you very much for watching our video. Bye bye.